Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do hooded eyes do's and don'ts. I have hooded eyes and I find it really difficult to find a eye makeup look that actually suits my eyes. So today I'll just give you a few tips and techniques that will hopefully help you out. And before getting started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So when you're doing your eyebrows, remember, don't extend them downwards, because if you do so, that will just make your eyes look more droopy than they already are. So when you're doing your eyebrows, try to make them look shorter, or try and go with your natural hairline, with your natural eyebrow, and don't try to change it. While applying highlighter on your brow bone, just remember to not apply the highlighter on the whole eyebrow, because if you do so, you will attract light on the areas where you do not want light, that is this area. If you attract light over here, it will just make your eyebrows look more hooded. Your eyes will look more hooded. So just apply the highlighter from the arch to the tip of your eyebrow. Always apply a base, that is concealer or primer, before doing your eyeshadow. If you don't apply your base, then you have hooded eyes, right? Your crease line is like already right here and you have very little lid area to work on. And if you don't apply the base, then when you put the eyeshadow will just stay here. It will not blend with the rest of the eye. And if you apply the base, the concealer will create kind of a new crease line on your eye that is a little above your natural crease line, and it will look like you have more lid area. So when you'll apply the eyeshadow, then it will blend in with the transition area, and it will look like you have a little more space on your eye, like your eyelid is a little bigger, and that will eventually make your eye look bigger. Then don't apply a thick line of eyeliner. You already have very little space on your eyelid, and if you apply a thick line of eyeliner, it will cover most of the area of your eyelid. So what's the point of eyeshadow or anything else? Your eye will literally look black. What you can do is go with tight lining, that is applying kajal or eyeliner on your upper waterline, that is the area just under your upper eyelashes. Doing the tight lining will give a illusion that you have a thicker lash line. Don't apply black eyeshadow, black eyeliner or black kajal on your whole lower waterline or under eye. That will just make your eye look really tiny. What you can do is use a lighter shade like brown eyeliner, brown eyeshadow, and apply it on the outer third of your eye. That will not make your eye look tiny, but it would also help to open up your eye. Don't apply false eyelashes that have a really thick lash band, or those which are like really intense or really dense, because if you apply them, they will cover almost whole of your eye, and other people will not be able to see anything on your eye except the eyelashes. So go with false eyelashes that have a really thin lash band and which are natural, which are not too intense or dense. You can apply highlighter on the inner corner of your eye or in this area. Applying highlighter in these areas can really help to open up your eye and make them look a little bigger. Okay guys, so that will be all for today's video. I really hope that this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.